Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and that's right, string curtains are making a comeback.
This is no ordinary curtain. This polyester string curtain features 15 strings per inch that gives you an airy yet decorative look. YaoYue has made this curtain that is customizable, so you can just customize the length or width just by trimming the strands. You can use it to transition rooms without doors, partition open areas, or just add a whimsical texture to your windows, closet, even event spaces. It lets air and light pass through while adding a visual interest. Right now, I don't have a door on my master bathroom, so this was the perfect addition to our bedroom, and I love it.
Whether you're looking just to decorate or maybe you want to add a little bit of flair to a doorway or two, this string curtain is going to be the perfect thing for you, and that's my point of view.